2022 Kia Rio key fob battery replacement. Super simple. Flip it over on its side here. Open up the key. You're gonna take this panel off. Use a small flathead screwdriver, and if you feel around, and go for the very edge of this panel right here, okay? Because this guy's coming off. Just pop it up, just like that. Super easy. Right here is where the battery size is actually indicated. It's the CR2032 battery. Let me just take this cover off, just like that. That exposes the battery. We can just let this guy slide right out here. And if you look at it, there's a positive sign here that's facing out towards us. Slide your new one in like that, and you get your little cover here. And put it back in here like that. It will stick up like this, okay? The back half actually holds everything down when you go and just click it back on there. If you need a battery, there's a link in the description box. It takes you to Amazon to get a battery if you need one, so check that out. If you thought this video was helpful, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me or leave me a comment.